Hey, good day everyone. This is Adegold Concept. See this design on your screen that you are viewing now is what many people have been asking for. How did I create the design the frame? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this frame by yourself. Some thought it was a frame that has been designed. Maybe I just import it and just use it. No, I created the frame here on the PixelLab. So I just open it so that you can all see it now. So now we go to my work now. I will close this one. Let me just close this one, choose another. Let me close the app. So you can see now, just follow the process. Choose transparent, choose shapes, make sure it's fill. Can you see? Move this one here. Can you see? Make sure it fill the place. That's the first step. So you see now. So you you lock it. Sorry, you lock it. So select another shape again. Can you see? Select another shape again. It's okay. Now change the color. Change the color. This is the color I used. So this one. And you can actually use any color of your choice. It depends on your design. How you want your design to look like. It depends. So after this, make sure it's form like this. Okay, and you give it a shadow. The shadow, decrease the blur radius, increase it. See now, it's okay. Then you double this one. Copy, reduce the size, place it inside the first one. Can you see now? Then you apply stroke. You apply stroke. Yes, it's okay like this. Can still make this one a little big. Okay, so can center there. Oh, sorry, the position. Can position it to the middle. Can you see now? Can you see? It's okay like this. Now my design is already is I've designed everything. Okay, I made the flyer, the birthday flyer that I'm about to use. So from your go to where you store it, and you select the design that you want to use. Okay, so this is it. Can you see? Reduce the size, place it there. Can you see now? Can you see? So it's okay like this. So now apply stroke to your design. Note the first one will not apply stroke, only the second and your design. Apply stroke. Is it okay like this? Let's see. Can you see now? So apply the stroke now. So can you see now? So sorry, come here, lock everything. Lock everything and see. Okay, is it okay now? Now since it's okay now, what you will now do next is to match everything together. I mean from the first one to the second one, the third one. Not the background, not the white background. So select from here 1, 2, 3. The last one is your background. That's the white background. So just match everything together like this. Can you see? So once you match everything together, you can still reduce the size. You can still reduce the size and make sure it's above. It's not center to create some space at your left side. So can you see now? So this one I will now double it. I will copy. So I'll copy, rotate, rotate, sorry, 3D rotation. Sorry, make it form like this. Can you see now? It's something simple. Can you see? To make it reflect. So can you see now? Can you see now? So this one opacity. Can you see? This is the opacity. To just make sure it's just reflecting. Okay, it's just reflecting. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button, so whenever I post another video like this, you guys can see it. Okay, please do well to subscribe, share and like it. And if you have any question, you are not sure of anything, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So apply opacity, and you see now. So you can still make it okay. It's okay like this. So the flower that I used, so let's move this one a little bit there. The flower that I use, I have it in PNG form. So you can download the flower in PNG form, any flower of your choice. Are you there? So the flower is here in my download. Okay, this is it. Change it like this. Okay, reduce the size. Do the size. Then I place it here. Can you see? Yes. Can you see now? Now it remains just the last one, and that is the shadow. The shadow that I applied. So let's go now. I have the shadow here. I have the shadow here. In my WhatsApp, because someone just sent it to me. Okay. The shadow that I used to make it more look like a frame that was placed maybe on a table or whenever. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button. Don't forget to like and share with others. Oh, sorry, could not load the content. Let me go back again. Sorry. Android. Okay, I love it. What's going on? Coming up. Let's wait a little bit. Go. Now you can see. So I'll select the shadow that I'm going to use from. I think I use this one. Just use the above one. I think this is the one I use. You know, when I'm doing it, that I'm just as if I'm just playing. I don't make it serious. So I don't know. It is something that people would like to know. So you see now. Place it there. Then you copy this one to the front. Yeah, you see. Copy this one to the front. And your flower, lock this one so you can select your flower to the front as well. Now you see now. Let's lock everything. Can you see? Can you see? She made one shadow. So let me select the shadow again. Let me select the shadow again. Now the second shadow is the one I use slide shadow. Can you see? Slide shadow. So just turn it upside down. Okay. I think it's okay like this. So can you see now? So the shadow will go to the back of the photo frame. I mean the frame, the one that we finished. So to go to the back, can you see? Place it here. Let's copy. Let's move this one to the front, so the shadow can stay at the back. Can you see now? So we can move our shadow now. Can move our shadow. Can you see? And you look at it. Sorry, let's move the flower to the front as well. I think it's okay. So it might not look like the one you saw before, because I don't have the video. I just have to recreate it again. So I have to design again. So can you see now? It's okay now. Perfect. And you save your work. You all know that. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate. And I would like you to subscribe and hit the notification button as well, because I'll be sending some videos like this time to time, so that you can be notified. Do well to like and share with others. Thank you. See you in the next video.